Is that gun real?
It is. I mean, it's a modern reproduction, but it could fire a bullet. I don't have bullets and wouldn't shoot them here. But it's called a matchlock musket. Any guesses why it would be called a matchlock musket? Maybe you've heard of a flintlock musket?
No.
Okay, well.
I don't know anything about guns.
Okay, well, this is a very early kind of gun,
They have left.
and it uses a lit match. They call this slow match to fire. So if I wanted to shoot this gun, I have to light the end of this rope on fire, and it burns slowly, so that when I put powder in the gun, I put the burning end of that piece of rope in there, and when I get ready to fire, I open up that pan, and when I squeeze the trigger, it drops that hot coal into the gunpowder, and it goes off. But if I don't have that burning piece of rope, there's no way I have to fire this gun. So then it's just a big heavy club. Yeah. So I have to carry around the burning rope.
You gotta come out in front of here, though. I gotta be able to see the test. So why don't you stand with him?
Come on over here, guys.
The sun, I'm gonna come over this way because the sun's right there. Turn, Attila! Yeah, let's turn. Much better. Renata, you make a much better. Attila, stand back.
Here, come over here.
Attila, right out front.
Come
Turn.
over here by my sword.
Do the move, man. The move was good. Good job. All right. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem, guys.
That's awesome.